Hello and thank you for joining me on this new Hello Bluebird video. I've been wanting to try to make a magical rain shaker card for a few weeks now, since I saw Laura's video. So when I received the rainy day stem set, I took my beads out of their box and started to work on a card. I started with a 5.5 by 4.25 inches Bristol panel and some Oxide inks, broken china, chipped sapphire, peacock feathers and lucky clover. First I applied the lightest colors, peacock feathers at the bottom and broken china on the rest of the panel. Next I added the dark colors, lucky clover at the bottom, and chipped sapphire at the top. I splattered water on the panel and dried it to create raindrops. I also added chipped sapphire drops. And a few black soot drops. And to finish the panel, I added white drops to add more contrast. To create the rain shaker mechanism, I added foam strips at the top and bottom of the panel. Next, I marked every 5 mm, again at the top and bottom. I took nylon thread and put 5 clear beads on it. Removed a part of the backing paper and attached the thread on the first mark, top and bottom. And I did the same thing for all the strings, 5 beads on the thread and attached the thread on the top and bottom marks. To secure all the strings during the process, I simply adhered double-sided tape on both ends of the threads. And I also applied powder along the foam strips to avoid any stickiness. Here is the result halfway. And here is the result with all the strings. To make more room for the beads, I attached a second strip of foam at the top and bottom of the panel. Next, I colored my image using my alcohol markers. As always, it was stamped on Neenah Solar White cardstock using Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I die cut a cloud border and a hill border out of Bristol cardstock and colored them using the same inks as the ones used on the background. Stamped my sentiment on the hill border and attached them on my panel. And I adhered the image using glue dots. And that's it. It was not that long and hard to make, and the result is pretty cool. Tell me what you think. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye!